Okay, so in case you didn't know, winning smile, I have a Roblox group. You should know that I have a Roblox group, but you can't search it up in my group because of weird reasons. So just search up my account if you want to see the group. Bam. What? Oh, no, not groups. No, I want in people. I was about to say, wait, what? Did my account just get, like, banned or something? Yeah. So we want to go there. Wait for it to load. This happens so much. Load. Thank you. I'm gonna add my friend, but I'm not gonna accept it. That's kind of funny. Oh, wait, I don't know what that sound was for. But yeah, as you can see, I have a Roblox group. And I'm gonna join it because I need extra members. Wait, I need to verify to join a group? Wait, what? This doesn't have it on my main account. Pick the glasses. Pick the glasses. Why do the glasses look different? I don't know. All that matters is that I joined. The blue EM t-shirt is out. Well, actually, besides that, I have a huge sale on the Angry Shark t-shirt. Now, instead of 10 Robux, it's 3 Robux. So you can still get it while you still can, and then the new merch is out. The Beluga Wears Killer Shark merch, and then just chill. TV is just like, I didn't understand that. Well, you should, TV, okay. Anyways, I can be like, and post it. I swear if I have to verify to post this, good. So, anyways, the actual point of this video, yes, there's a point of this video. I'm gonna like, follow, and favorite the game. I have to visit it. Let me dislike it. Oh, no. Alrighty! So, the point of this video you might have seen by the thumbnail and title, or not the thumbnail. I don't usually edit my thumbnails that much. I do it once in a while because I don't really got that kind of time. But what I do got time for is that like button, so make sure you do it. Let's go for about 2 likes. Don't let me down. Oh, hold on, sorry. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Oh, sorry. So, anyways, what we're going to be doing in this video, as I said before, we're going to be doing a badge race in my game. The easiest one is this one. Freebie. This one, it's not that hard, but like, And then this one's really hard. This one apparently, yeah, this one, these 2 are really hard. This one you have to beat hardcore mode, which is the obby that my codev made. Yeah, this is my game in case I didn't mention that before. And for some apparent reason, more people won this secret badge than the main obby. You basically just have to complete the main obby and you get a badge. You used to be able to cheat to get it. That's why I got my friend to get it. And then, yeah, hardcore mode. Yeah, I don't really think that many people are going to be completing hardcore mode. But then, yeah, there's a secret badge, there's the Master Hunter's Award, and then the Plain Sights Award. Alright, I'm going to do like a follow game badge soon, but without further ado, let's just get into the game, and we're going to do a badge hunt. The first few are pretty easy. You can get 2 of them by doing the main obby. So, we're definitely not going to get the hardcore mode one. I was saying maybe, but then, like, actually, we're not going to. Alright, so, I don't want to walk off the map. Wee! Nope. First badge, the newest one, the Plain Sights Award. It's called the Plain Sights Award because it's literally in plain sight. You have to touch the back of this thing and you get the badge. First badge on this new account. I'm so proud of it. It's the winning smile. I should just take that thing off. Oh yeah, and also this game forces you to wear Killer Shark merch, so that's pretty epic. And this game for some reason doesn't have shift lock. Just spamming shift right now. What? But no, I don't want sticky keys, thank you. But, yeah, I forgot if you do shift 5 times, it does sticky keys. Yeah, the secret ending! That's pretty hard. I might want to give admin to one of these accounts. On my main account, I could just, like, fly to all the badges. Like, I'm not even sure if hardcore mode is, like, physically possible. Wait a minute here. I made that easier. Wait, are you saying... Hold on a minute. Oh my gosh, I have to log back into my other account. Oh my gosh, I'll do that later, I guess. Like, oh my gosh, I made this part so much easier. And I forgot to update it. Oh my gosh, I'm so annoyed with myself. Because I want people to get the secret badge easier. Oh my god. No, how did I die? I swear, I did not die there. The hitbox. Yeah, I made it so much easier. Like, the laser is so small, and it's, like, all the way over there. So, like, you'll barely touch it. Oh my, I am so mad at myself. Well, this is, like, the challenge, obviously, so it's not supposed to be easy, but this is just dumb. This isn't hard, it's just dumb. My god! If I can just, like, you see the struggles here. Like, sometimes, like, I don't want to get too close to it as well. Thank you! Okay, now, what you want to do is, go jump on the black thing. Yeah, this is where you can get it. I almost got it yesterday. But, funny parents interrupted. So funny. Oh, I almost. And I almost put a checkpoint in between here. But then I realized to myself, this is the secret bet. How did I miss that jump? Oh my gosh, I need admin. Oh my god. I might just, like, not go for this yet, because, like, I might just, like, cut. Oh my gosh. I mean, I forgot how many E's were in my password, so I'll have to start this over again with, like, a new account or I could just, like, make this easier on a different device that is accessible to Roblox Studio. Oh my gosh, this is so dumb though. Oh my gosh, I hate this secret badge. Like, oh my gosh, I feel like I made these a little too hard. Also, hardcore mode, the first stage is easy. That's the one I made. And then the rest are my friend Kebab. As you can see, there's 2 devs over there. One of them's me, one of them's Kebab. Kebab likes to make fans rage. And I do too, but he likes to make it in, like, an unfair way. This is me. I make all the normal obbies. This guy right here, he makes all of those obbies. If you touch the end of that, you get the thing. But just in case you want to see how hard hardcore mode can be. Well, okay, the first stage is pretty easy. Okay, I might die on it because, like, I don't have shift lock, but it used to be impossible without shift lock. Fun fact. Those days. Hardcore mode used to only be 1 stage. Another fun fact. Man, you're learning so much today, and school was basically not even started yet. Alright, now neon blue. This is the, yeah, it's not hard, but, like, then, like, after neon blue, it just gets terribly hard. But, yeah, we're gonna go for the secret one. And I'll come back if I get any luck. Oh my gosh. Alright, I updated the game. I was getting I was raging. It's so much easier to see this stuff now. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I can see this so much clearer. I can, like, see where I'm jumping. Okay, to be fair, it's still black, but, like, this is so much easier. Look at this. So the secret badge is gonna be a lot easier. I might just make, like, the starting platform, or, like, I might just, like, make, like, it transparent so it's hard to see, but, like, alright, now we technically beat it because we don't need to do the other part. So basically what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to use this Rickle thing. You're supposed to click a bunch. You're supposed to go over here, and then you want to click on the right, step on the right plate. Obviously these 2 kill you, so you want to step on this one. And then from here you're supposed to drop down, and I made this part transparent only to be fair. You see, and you can just, yeah. you basically just win because this like gives you like fly hacks basically. And honestly, no one uses like the walkway all the way over there anymore. So dude, I almost just died there. Oh my gosh, that was so risky. Oh my gosh. Let me go all the way up here again. This is so much clicking, oh my gosh. Okay, and then we want to go over here. Now let's go over here like that. And now we wanna, yeah, use this very epic bridge. And it's taken me like 10 minutes to get one badge. Alright, I just switched to one because why not? My finger is getting so tired of clicking. Do you hear the mouse? And then all I have to do is literally just jump on this thing. And I get the freaking secret badge! Let's go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I got this freaking badge. Oh wait, I just realized I could have used that to cheat on the thing. Well, so like, we're gonna try to like, so this is the main obby. You basically just have to beat the main obby to get the one of the badges. It's pretty hard. I definitely made it a challenge for you. This isn't supposed to be easy. It's like the main obby of the game, alright? Oh. Yeah, well, I just fell there. Thankfully, Kebab was nice enough to add infinite respawns. Infinite respawns. Instant respawns, sorry. Also, I just realized how long it's going to take me to get there. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna use the Rickroll platform thingy to get over to the pink stage, or because that's where we need to go for the first part. Honestly, like, I'm gonna make it so like there's an invisible wall in between because I don't want people to cheat. But like until then, I'm also probably going to make a badge for like if you figure out the code to the nuke. I made it pretty hard. First four numbers of 2017. I'm literally not even joking. 2017 are first four numbers. And of course you could do it like that. I didn't even see, like I didn't even know you can make that jump from there. No, I'm not singing that. Not singing that. I was about to like say some words that like aren't really supposed to be said on this channel. Family friendly. Yeah, honestly, I think I've already broken that little thing. So and actually, there's only like 2 more minutes left until like I can stop recording. So okay, what I'm gonna do is gonna make it so much easier. Step on the transparent thing. Then, like, I made it so you could cheat with this thing so hard. Like, I didn't even mean for this to happen, but you could literally just cheat the whole system. You could, like, go all the way over here to where you're supposed to go. And then you could just build up to the green platform that you need to step on to get the badge. I'm gonna change that. But, like, I just literally just noticed that you can just cheat that. Also, it appears that, like, the other secret badge is right over here. Oh my gosh, and then I'm gonna cheat to get the hardcore mode one. Oh my gosh. So basically all you gotta do is go to this stage over here. I'm technically I'm cheating. I'm cheating at this point. Would you fall? Oh, I barely made that actually. I could have just yeah, like that. But okay. Woo. Blink. Oh, I actually don't want to lose this, so we're gonna go to the end of hardcore mode. Hey, actually, let me show you a magic trick. How you get to there really fast? You have to make this really long jump. All right, so yeah, we're just getting to the end of hardcore mode, and the fun fact is, whenever you get to the end of hardcore mode, you can actually like literally just like grab this fire item. It like does the exact same thing, and yeah, we get the badge for it. But the fire thing does like the exact same thing as like the Rickroll. But yeah, we got every badge. Let's go. Oh yeah, bye guys.